Let me show you how to create this awesome transparent text effect in Photoshop. So here we go. First thing is to create a document. You can do that by pressing the Command N on the keyboard. Next, enter the settings for your preset or select one of your recent and click Create. Then, import your image into Photoshop. You can do this by copying and pasting your image from the download folder or your image location. Next, press Command C on the keyboard and resize your image. Then click the check mark once satisfied. Duplicate your image layer by pressing Command J. Then select the first image layer and click on the quick selection tool on the right. Click on select button to quickly select the main subject and then add layer mask by clicking on this icon. Next, write the text by pressing T on the keyboard to activate the type tool and clicking on the screen. Commit the text by clicking on the check mark above and then scale the text by pressing Command T and commit the changes. Next, duplicate the text layer by pressing Command J and placing the duplicate beneath the first image layer with the mask. Select the text layer above the image and add the stroke effect by clicking on the FX button and selecting stroke. Select stroke size of 4 and click OK. Next, remove the fill color on that text layer and set the fill property to 0. Lastly, link both text layers by holding Command and selecting both of them and activating the link option below. This will enable you to move both layers at the same time. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something new.